Welcome. This video ties in with Mr. P's Faceless Video Training. If you are not familiar with this training, the Faceless Video Strategy is a way for you to make a lot of money on YouTube and never have to be on camera, never have to do a voiceover, never have to make a video, and never have to spend any money. You will find a link to Faceless Video Training below. What Mr. P has discovered is that shortly after you create your channel, YouTube will begin serving you suggested videos that may be perfect for your channel. What you are about to see is a form of what is called niche marketing. The bottom line is that YouTube is going to hand you videos that may be best for your next upload. In other words, this is a shortcut, whereby, instead of you having to search for the right videos to upload which are ones that will get views, you can let YouTube do the work. Mr. P is using the Faceless Video Strategy for classic television shows, along with commercials, old movies, vintage music, and cartoons. In case you need a suggestion on what kind of channel to grow with this strategy, game shows and kids TV seem to be best. Of the suggested videos that YouTube is sharing, the video Let's Dance looks very promising. 1.8 million views in 2 years was more than enough to grab Mr. P's attention. The following steps are how you can take advantage of suggested videos that are relative to your niche. Click on the video. This is going to allow you to make sure that this video is what it says it is, and that it is allowed on YouTube. What Mr. P has discovered is that some videos have copyright issues. Clicking on the video will help you make sure that YouTube will allow the video. So far, so good. Next is to see if this video is available. The main source that Mr. P uses for free videos is a site called Internet Archive. He has found that it is easier and faster to use Google to search. So we go to Google search and type in what we are looking for. In this case, Let's Dance, Chris Montez. Then we add the words Internet Archive and hit search. The video that we are looking for is a fun dance video, with the song, Let's Dance, playing in the background. Surprisingly, Internet Archive does not have the video that we are looking for. However, it does have Chris Montez performing a re-release of Let's Dance. Let's go back to YouTube and make sure that this other video of Let's Dance is okay as far as copyright, and that it is getting lots of views. When we go to YouTube, we not only find the video, I am pleased to share that it has 33 million views. Go back to Internet Archive and download the video and upload it to YouTube. What you have just seen is most of the process. It is amazingly easy. There are more steps to the process. They include SEO, which is all done by a free tool, and sharing. As mentioned, you will find a link below if you want to learn more. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black. Thank you. If this kind of content is of interest to you, consider joining the channel and ringing the bell, so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Watch this next.